That's pretty. Are y'all seeing this? Like, that is pretty.
Touchdown sound.
Day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your head out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marshonda J, if you do not already know. As you can see by the title of this video, this is a get ready with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye. Until next time. So right here I am showing you what the wig looks like on the inside. This is the wig on correctly, but I didn't like how it looked, so I turned it around and put it on backwards, and I felt like this was a little bit better. I'm going to try to shape the front more to my like head shape. So I'm just going to cut off some ends in the front. I'm going to mix these two concealers. It's the Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Granola, and then the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'm going to use those two shades to shape my brow or conceal the brow. The brow pencil I use is precisely my brow pencil by Benefit. Now I'm just going to go all over the eye with that concealer. If you use a bigger brush, it'll you can conceal the brow quicker, but I like to go in with a smaller one. So I'm going to go in with the Amrezy palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to take the shade that I'm pointing at. I'll list the shades below as well. I'm just going to pack that on the lid. And I didn't set the concealer. I usually set it with a translucent powder, but for this look, I just went ahead and started to pack in the color on the lid on top of the concealer. Going in with this shade in the crease. And I'm building up that color to what I like. This is the NYX waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to put that on. I like this eyeliner because it's really bold and black and it's waterproof. literally not breathing. So these are the lashes that I'm using. I got these from a hair store. This is the foundation by NARS in the shade Tahoe. I literally had this foundation for like 2 years. Going in with the flat brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Going in with that Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Granola. In the center on the nose, the chin, and a little bit on the forehead. Then that brighter shade that I use. This is actually the Yellow Corrector by LA Girl. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender and I'm just going to blend out the edges more, just to make sure it's a smooth transition between the concealer and the foundation. Now I'm going to use Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie and Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use the yellow one first and then I let the Laura Mercier sit and bake on my face. So for this one, this is the Huda Beauty one, and I go ahead and just melt that into the concealer instead of letting it sit. So I start off with a thin layer and then I go in with a couple more layers. So to set the foundation, I'm using Sephora Micro Smooth Powders. with the Laura Mercier powder to give, and it's also going to give me a little bit of a brighter effect under the eye. Going in with Juvia's Place bronzed bronzer palette. Going in with the lighter one to warm up my face. And this is going to give me the snatch look that I like. Going in with the darker shade of the palette just to give it a more snatched look. Now I'm going to use this blue shade right in the eye, under the eye. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. Oh my gosh, my camera died, so I just went ahead and finished the face, and I like the hair better. I just feel like it looks better if when I'm done up. Like, other than that, I probably wouldn't wear it like as an everyday look. I'm not sure, you know, I don't know. I have to see. I'm gonna test it out and let you all know. So what I did was I think I left off with the under eye or whatever. So I did the blue shadow on the under eye. Finished off with Juvia's Place. This is the highlighter right here that I used. This is the highlight. For the lips, I use NYX Downtown Beauty lip gloss and NYX Baby Doll liquid lipstick. But anyway, this is the look. It's so pretty. I feel so pretty. It's very much giving. I really love the look. Yes, I think I'm going to, you know, get into wigs, trying out different types of wigs for you all. You know, let me know what you would like to see, and let's see if we can get that on my channel. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video. Okay, and yes, like I said, give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.